Welcome, in front of me is Redmi 13 and in this video I will show you what to do if your Wi-Fi isn't working correctly on this phone. First of all, slide down the control center and try toggling your Wi-Fi and the airplane mode. Then, once your device reconnects to the Wi-Fi, check if the problem is resolved, and if it's not, then go to settings, go to Wi-Fi, select the network that you are connected to and select forget network, then OK. Then again select it on the list of available networks, enter the password to it. Reconnect to the Wi-Fi and see if it helps you solving your issue, and if the connection is still not stable, then you can restart your phone by holding the volume up key and the power button at the same time and selecting reboot option. Now if also you can and should restart your router if you have access to it, so do it in the meantime while your phone is rebooting, and let's wait until the phone reboots. Now once your phone and routers are restarted, try checking if the network is stable right now, and if it's not, then you have to check for software updates. In settings, just search for the update, find the system update on the list, open it, and if you have any available updates right now, then take your time and download and install them. And just in case you don't have any, just like me, then let's reset network settings. So go back to settings and search for reset network. Okay, give me a moment. Just search for reset and you will find this reset Wi-Fi, mobile networks and Bluetooth. Select it, then select reset settings at the bottom, click OK, wait until they are reset, and then try reconnecting to your network. In the settings, find it on available networks list, enter the password again, then press connect and see if the issue is resolved, and I hope that it is. And in case this video helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.